We do have some parent read aloud books like Minding Your Own Business, which is good for entrepreneur skills, to impart those to the children in the children's home. So there's a few of those supportive resources for teachers or parents or so to read. And then, of course, there's a little bit extra, just the real extras being your art book and singing, the vocal coach series. Again, this is for you to just go lesson by lesson. You just decide on Fridays we're doing art, and you have got a full art curriculum here. If you're afraid of art, you think you can't draw, or you didn't train as a teacher to do art or whatever, it really doesn't matter. This lady has very kindly put all her wonderful skills and expertise into a curriculum in the form of this little book. And you sit with your children, you say, right, take out your page, put a dot in the middle, because that's what the book told you to do. Now we're going to put a circle around the dot. Now we're learning the elements of art. It's all in here. Okay, now, and in the end, by the time you finish going through these steps, they've got a little bird on their page, and everybody's bird is different. Some are fat, some are skinny, some are big, some are small, and everybody's got their own creation, and they all go up on the wall, and it's all very exciting, and everybody had a whole lot of fun, and you are a very clever art teacher. Okay, you see, that's heaven in your home, in your children's home, a lot of fun. So that's what this is about. The vocal coach you can put in, everybody can learn to train their voices, and you can have some music lessons and music time in your children's home as well, if you like. That's what vocal coach is there for. Okay. That about wraps it up. I don't think I missed anything, because I hope it's been clear enough and not too much information overload, and it's been kept simple. I'm concerned about that, because sometimes when I'm finished showing you everything, it can seem like too much. But in actual fact, let's just summarize and see that it's, even though I've shown you a lot of resources now, it shouldn't feel like too much. It's Bible study, Konos, your language books, your maths books, some science, some art, and your literature read alouds. I think that basically is a good summary. So I think we should have a coffee break, and then I think we can have some question time. Got your questions ready? Okay.